I am Stéphane Moriou, one of the top 10 worldwide leaders in the field of feedback. Maybe you recognize this jumper. Because of it, I'm considered one of the world's experts on feedback. Feedback is my specialty. A lot of people talk about feedback, but no one has worked as hard as I have on the subject. What is the purpose of feedback? Feedback serves both economic and human performance. If we are able to tell each other things in a faster, more acceptable way, then as a team, we will make progress and go 10 times faster. It's an amazing competitive advantage. In this mini-series, you'll find everything I've learned in 25 years of research and practice. This mini-series is for everyone. It will be useful to you, whether you are a manager or not, whatever your job, the size of your company, or your industry sector. You will find in this mini-series a real method that you can apply on a daily basis. I guarantee that if you master the art of feedback, you will increase your performance and that of others. So I'll see you soon on Fasterclass.